Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x. Yes, you heard it right, and the token that I'm talking about is Promise. Yes, the name of the token is Promise, and it just has so much potential, and it is still valued very low. It has a lot of key features which make it very different to all of the tokens, and you guys will agree with me after watching this video, I promise that. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it helps me and you out, as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people, and I promise you that this token will be purchased by a lot more people after watching this video. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profits. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Now, the first thing I do want to mention is I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you guys do your own research after watching this video before you decide to put your money into anything. That is very important because there is a chance you might end up losing your money, so be very cautious. Now, first thing I want to show you guys is look at the design of the website. It just looks incredible and very unique, as I just love the animation. Hold your promise. Promise is the world's first BEP token based on trust. Our token guarantees a continuous increasing price because everyone who holds the token makes a promise to hold it for at least 15 days. Yes, you heard it right. Now, if you guys see right here, you can see they already have close to 13,000 holders, $140,000 worth of liquidity, more than 13 million market cap, and 500 trillion of the token is already being burnt. This token has been discussed on a lot of major sites when we talk about like MarketWatch, Bloomberg, AMB Crypto. Yes, they have actually mentioned this crypto. It's very interesting. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the key features of this token. Trade. Promise token can be bought and sold on decentralized trading platforms such as PancakeSwap. Secondly, transparency. The Promise smart contract is being verified and publicly viewable by all users on the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. Vision. Steady growth through 100% community-driven token with deflationary characteristic. Development team burned all the team token and also participated in the launch fairly like anyone else. Limited circulating supply keeps the price high. And finally, measures. Half of the tokens were burnt at the start, with a further 2% being burnt each transaction. So they do have a small fee, which is 4%. 2% is redistributed to all the holders, and 2% is straight away burned. And when it's burnt, the lower the circulating supply, the more valuable the token becomes, and the price starts going up. So just by holding, you will be making a lot of money. Also, they do have this very interesting concept that will be coming into play very soon. First of all, they have Wall of Honor and Wall of Shame. Wall of Honor is the people who have held onto the token for the longest period of time, and it also has some perks. First of all, lottery pool, so they will be put into a pool and will be able to win themselves some tokens. Secondly, they have a voting towards what charity the money should be donated to, and third, the burning vote. They have a chance to actually decide when to burn the token. And Wall of Shame has some downsides, as they will be publicly viewed by everyone, and they can be, just say, a lot of people can make a joke about them, so you do not want to be on there. And as you guys can see, there are some big names that have actually put some review towards this token, and trust me, I just personally do like the idea behind the token, and also the distribution. I know a lot of you guys do want to know the tokenomics. So 50% of the token was burned at the initial start, so the initial supply was 1 quadrillion. 500 trillions already been burnt. 42.75% is the circulating supply, 5% is in the divs token, and also the marketing has 2.25%. I personally just love the name of the token, which is Promise. It just causes a lot of people to actually follow the rule and actually listen to the token's main idea, which is actually holding on to it. Now, if we look at their roadmap, you guys can see they have already done a couple of things. So the ones that they have done are the one in color. The one that have not been done yet are the one that will be coming out very soon. Looking at the exchange listing, that will be happening very soon. Listing on CoinMarketCap, also CoinGecko. Wall of Shame and Wall of Fame will be released very soon. Lottery pool will also come in Q2, which is obviously Q2 of 2021. Community vote, charity project, merch launch. team expansion, so more people will be actually joining into the token team, then exchange development on website, app development with exchange, and then there will be To the Moon. I just love it that they have so many things that will be happening with the token very soon. Also, they have some questions that are answered for the people who are actually new to the token. If you scroll down even more, you will be able to see a contact page where you will be able to contact the community, and at the same time you will be able to see all their social media link if you do want to follow them on Twitter, Instagram, and stuff like that. Now, this project is powered by the whole community, also has an auto-generating liquidity pool, so you know that just stabilizes the price a little bit more. Also, the loyalty is rewarded because 2% is actually distributed to the people who are holding onto it and the transaction. Also, if we look at their white paper, you guys can see it is very lengthy. It is 24 pages and everything is there. If you want to have literally any small question about the token, you will be able to find it. And at the same time, this is just being more transparent to the viewers or the people who are actually buying into the token, and you will be able to see the distribution, also the fee distribution. 50% goes to the people who are holding on, and 50% is added to the liquidity pool to obviously stabilize the price. Also, they do have a lot of social media. If you want to go through the whole white page by yourself, it's worth it in my opinion. If you are investing inside of anything, I recommend knowing all the small details about it, because the money is your hard-earned money and you do not want to just put your money into anything. Just make sure you hold your promise. Now, Telegram, you guys can see they have close to 11,000 members or subscribers, because they do post every small detail on Telegram. So if you're going to be actually buying this token, recommend joining their Telegram. Also, they do have a Twitter page which has close to 2,000 followers. They're not very active on the Twitter page. At the same time, they do post any major updates that will be happening to the token. If we go to their BSC Scan, you can see they have close to 13,000 holders and 31,000 transactions have been done through this token. Shows that there are some use cases that might be happening in the backhand that we do not know of yet, that might be coming out very soon. And another thing which I want to show you guys is the graph. The graph looks very exciting. That's probably the best word to use it, because initially when it was released in April, there was a small spikes that were occurring, and then in between May 14th and 15th, there was an extreme spike. Then there was a fall down due to the big whales deciding to sell, and ever since it's been consolidating in a very similar manner. I just personally feel like a small boost on this token would cause it to have another very extreme spike, seeing that the initial spike took it close to 14 times just from the price it is on right now. So overall, that is some big improvements to be done on this token. Now, boys and girls, if you do want to purchase this token, it's very easy to do so. Go onto the website, click on buy now. It will take you to PancakeSwap, and then a small pop-up will come up. Just click on I understand, click on import. Then you guys need to go ahead and make your way onto the phone, download this application called Trust Wallet. Once you have that, you just need to make an account and buy some BNB. You can buy it from third party or you can buy it through Trust Wallet. Once you have that done, just convert it into Smart Chain, and once you convert it into Smart Chain, you just need to click on connect on the right top on PancakeSwap, then click on Trust Wallet, then just fill in the BNB that you want to convert into Promise, and then click on swap, and it will be put inside of your wallet. Simple as that. What do I think about this token? I feel like it does have a good future, because their main motto is the promise. Keep holding on to the token, and you guys know more holders just help the token actually value the price. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys subscribe. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.